Hello, friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel called Super Simple Life. I'm Isha.
And I'm Monisha.
We both are sisters. Today, we have come up with yet another topic called success and its principles.
Well, guys, success means different things to different people. For some, it may means earning lot of money, having recognition in the society, going from for dream job, and so on. But the most appropriate definition about success is that it's a progressive realization of our worthy goals.
Yeah, it's a beautiful definition of success, which simply means that anyone who's on course to fulfill its dreams is successful. Six principles of success are.
Number one is knowing your purpose. Well, we believe that we all are come in this world with a purpose, and identifying, acknowledging, and honoring is one of the most important qualities of a successful person. So, know why you are here on this planet and start doing things with passions and enthusiasm for achieving your dream in your life.
So that brings us to number two, which is decide what you want. So, what is that you want in your life? What are your dreams? Former late President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, has rightly said that dream is not something that you see in the sleep, it is something that doesn't let you sleep. So, what is that you want in your life? What are your dreams? Find it out to start the journey of your success.
Yeah, and number three is belief and faith. Have faith in your life while you are on a success journey. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, capabilities, and strength. Because, guys, when you are on a success journey, the road of success is not always smooth. Sometimes it gets bumpy, and sometimes you will be meeting with so many speed breakers in between. So the more you have faith in yourself and your abilities, the more are the chances that you will get success in your life.
Yeah, so that comes to number four, which is the power of goal setting. So there is tremendous power in goal setting. Goal setting helps us to plan what do we want in our life. It helps us to motivate to turn our vision into reality. The results empower us because with every fulfilling goal, it gives us more confidence to achieve the success that we are looking for.
And number five is self discipline. Well, guys, there are so many principles of success, but self discipline is one of the major principles, because without self discipline it's difficult to get what you want out of your life. And self mastery comes through self discipline, and consistency is the key to self discipline. Be consistent, take small steps on daily basis so that you can achieve your destination.
Well, that brings us to number six, which is positive mental attitude. Well, guys, your success journey will never be a cakewalk. You will always have discouragements, failures, disappointments, as they're very important for your success. So, to sail through these things, you will need a thing called positive mental attitude. It is the must. As per a survey conducted by Harvard University, a conclusion was made that 85% of the employees in job are promoted on the basis of their attitude and soft skills, and only 15% people are promoted because of their knowledge and their IQ. So attitude plays a very, very important role in a success of a person.
Yeah, so true. So, guys, these are the six principles which we are confident when you apply in your life, you will become successful, more successful in your life. So, do share your feedback with us, and don't say we are stuck in our home. Say we are safe in our home.
So, till then, stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you so much.